In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Fiverr account step by step. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together so you can access your Fiverr account with ease. First things first, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. Whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other, just open it up. Then navigate to the official Fiverr website. You can do this by typing fiverr.com directly into the search bar at the top of the browser and pressing enter on your keyboard. This action will take you directly to the Fiverr homepage. Once the Fiverr homepage is fully loaded, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There you'll find the Sign In option. Give it a click and you'll see several options for logging in. These options are designed to make signing in as convenient as possible, depending on how you initially set up your Fiverr account. If you signed up using your Google account, you simply need to click on Continue with Google. This will prompt you to select your Google account, and with just a few clicks, you'll be logged right into Fiverr. If you initially registered using Apple or Facebook, you can choose those options to streamline the login process as well. Both work in a similar manner, directing you through a quick, easy sign-in via those services. Now, if you created your Fiverr account using an email address or a username, then you're going to want to click on Continue with Email or Username. After clicking, you'll be prompted to enter your registered email or username. This is the information you used when you first set up your Fiverr account. Once you've entered that, you'll need to type in your password. It's entirely possible, of course, that you might have forgotten your password. If that's the case, Fiverr has provided a convenient Forgot Password link right there on the login page. Clicking this will guide you through straightforward on-screen instructions to reset your password, ensuring that you can regain access to your account quickly. After you've entered your correct email or username along with the accompanying password, the next step is to click the Continue button. Fiverr's system will verify your details, and once it confirms that everything's right, it will seamlessly log you into your account. And there you have it. You're now successfully logged into your Fiverr account and ready to start exploring all that Fiverr has to offer. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more useful content, and be sure to hit the bell icon so that you're notified about all our latest Fiverr tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.